on the next stream yet, Bernie?
Hey, you can almost buy a full dot with that, Matt. So there you go.
I have a lot of dot, just to be transparent.
Yeah,
I wish I had loaded up on more Kusama, to be honest, because that's where all the adoption's happening at the moment during the integration.
Yeah.
All right, I think we are live. Do we have the Sphereium team with us?
Yeah. Hi, Matty.
Hi, how are you? Thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. I just want to give you guys the opportunity to introduce yourselves and then head into the presentation.
Yes, so I'm Anchal and I'm Chief Strategy Officer and Chief Investment Officer for Sphereium. We also have Heather here, who's head of development for us. And we have Philip as well. So, hi. She was waving hand. So, all the technical questions I'll really try to bring to Heather. So that's her domain probably. And I'm here to present the project here.
Great, thanks, Anshel. Nice to meet you, Heather and Philip. And yeah, really excited to hear more about your project.
Yes.
Whenever you're ready.
Should I share my screen?
Yeah, please.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm here to present Sphereium Finance. We call it a circular economy that we are creating in the space of DeFi. So our CEO and myself, we are from the business side. So what we feel is in the space of DeFi, the major pain point is that we have all these wallets and we have all these applications which are all segregated. So if a person needs to deposit some tokens or to earn some interest, they have to go to a staking platform. They have to store their wallets, store the tokens. They need to go to another wallet, maybe a MetaMask or Trust wallet. And in case they want to trade or swap their code tokens in a decentralized manner, they'll probably go to Uniswap, SushiSwap, or any other DEX. So there are a number of DEXs which are available. There are a number of applications which are available, and each of them, whether it is Compound or Aave, so all of them have their own individual capabilities, for which you have to keep on moving from application to application. So we feel that this is something which is actually hindering the way a normal person other than developers utilize or interact with the system. So reaching out to decentralized world is very difficult for a layman, I should say. So if you go to a bank or a fintech application which are coming up every day, they are very easy to use. You don't have to jump from one application to another to do all these things. So we're trying to build a system where you get everything at one place, and we want to be working in a regulated manner, little regulated, though being decentralized, still a little regulated. So we are starting with like how the DeFi market is growing. So we have had a very high growth in the DeFi market in the recent years, and in 2020 especially, the market cap has gone to an all-time high of more than 14 billion. But this is still a tiny drop as compared to the whole financial market, where actually DeFi can make a difference. So when we see the trillions of dollars which are there out there for riding in the banks, in the traditional financial market, this is still very small. We have so many applications for swaps, for lending and borrowing, for DEX wallets, but they're all separate applications where you have to go to different wallets and different applications to actually get the thing done what you want to do. So this is what we feel is DeFi's biggest challenge, that most of the apps which allow users to track their portfolio are either complex to use or are in different places. So they're not together, they're not user friendly. And the user experience is something which we don't think is very convenient with all those keys, and many of them are not even available on mobile applications. So we feel that DeFi products are isolated, and that is the biggest challenge for bringing in a normal user who may not be technically advanced to the DeFi marketplace or to the DeFi applications. So what we are trying to build is something which brings all these applications in one place, where you are able to swap, you are able to stake, where you are able to lend, borrow, where you are able to actually do everything in a manner which makes it quite easy. So we are going mobile first. We are also building a web application. So both of them, the layer one solution will be launched probably together. So we are building both of them together. And in fact, our web app, mobile app is quite advanced as compared to our web development at this stage. So we are trying to bring it on the mobile, and we are trying to build this solution at one place. So it's not going to be just another DeFi app. We are trying to make it very simple, make it so we are actually not reinventing the wheel, I would say. We are just making it better for the people. We are just doing things in a better manner. We're trying to make the things easier so that more and more people uh, come on the DeFi applications and they are able to use it easily. So Sphereium, when we say I mean, we were also discussing from where we got this name of Sphereium. So we are talking about having this circular economy. So we are trying to build an end-to-end application where you get all the applications which are available at one place. So it's a circular economy. So Sphereium is sphere comes from sphere, where we are going to make it very user-friendly, transparent, decentralized, cross-chain, and a one-stop shop for everything. So phase one, we have two phases basically for development. Phase one is for layer one development, where we're going to build the solution on Ethereum. So it's going to be an ERC20 based token as well. So we have SPH token, and that will be the base layer. And then there will be a layer two solution which will be built after that. Layer two solution will be cross chain. It will have many more features, I should say, where we are targeting gasless transactions. It cross-chain platform using, and also we are going to bring in new features like Sphere Vault and some other features. So phase one, we have Hyperswap. We are going to bring in Hyperswap. We are going to bring in the SPH token, wallet, and Sphere Comp, which is Sphere Comp is for lending and borrowing. And phase two deployment will have, again, as I mentioned, we have cross-chain interoperability, Sphere Vault, Sphere Portfolio, Sphere Lock, Sphere X. So all of them integrated into one application. And the flow between applications, we want to make it as easy as possible so that people don't get confused in what they're trying to do. Again, this is explaining about the problem that people feel while they're using a DeFi wallet. So again, the same thing. So when we say that we are trying to build a circular economy or overall ecosystem, we are not leaving behind the applications which are currently there, and so because otherwise it will become very difficult for us to bring in the users. So we are going to make it we will have wallet composability with every application which is available right now. So whether it is Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Formatica, so all these applications will be integrated. So the people will be able to bring in their tokens and swap using the existing applications as well. So we'll continuously keep on increasing the wallet support, and as soon as we will be upgrading it on a regular basis, and we'll grow the the composability of the application more and more. So SPH token is actually the the thing which actually is going to help us in the ecosystem. So this is the token for our ecosystem. It's the native token, which will have its own utility. For increasing the utility of token in Sphereium chain, we have we are not going to have separate tokens for governance, separate tokens for staking. No, it's going to be only one token which will have its own benefits, like this is going to you can use it for staking. It can reduce the fees that you will pay on the ecosystem. You'll have some discounts, lowest interest rate, and it will be a deflationary token as well. we'll in long term we have a lot more use cases which we thought about, like for collateralized borrowings, taking rewards. We might have some events where you can use SPH tokens. So we are going to, in every phase, we are going to increase the utility of our token. So this economic model that we are talking about, this is an initial tokenomics. I've shared a detailed tokenomics document with the team on what is the total circulating supply that we have thought about. So 70 million is the total supply, and we want to, the vesting schedule is quite comprehensive. For foundation, it is more than 5 years. For team, for investors, it is 2 years vesting. And so we have kept about 10% tokens for liquidity providers overall. So the team only gets 11.4%. Most of the tokens are and more than 40% tokens we have kept for rewards. So since we are building a whole ecosystem, it's very important that we are able to reward the so not just the people who are going to stake in the ecosystem, people who will trade will also get rewards, and also for inviting people and the projects to our ecosystem who will I mean, like in Uniswap, if you go and list your project, you don't get anything, but in Sphereium ecosystem, if you list your projects, you will get rewards. So we have kept a huge amount for rewarding all these users of the ecosystem. The milestones that we have achieved till now is that we have been doing a lot of research, especially for the layer 2 protocol that we have to build. So till now, the research has mostly been concluded. We have built a team which includes our CEO, COO, CTO, and we have a team of about 10 developers in different who are doing different applications, some for web app, for mobile application, for research. So we have Saif as our CPO, we have Adrian, who's our CTO, Heather is our head of development. So we have built our team around people from the tech side, and we have people from the business side as well. Me myself is from business side. Our COO is a very he's more from the side of investments and from tokens, and our CEO has been involved in multiple projects till now from the compliance and regulatory aspects. And from there only we have this idea of bringing the aspect of regulations to this particular project. So we'll be adding KYC and AML as a very integral part to our solution. Our roadmap, as per our roadmap, by the end of January or beginning of February, we are planning to launch the beta version of our application and web app. Then after that, we have mentioned the different products which we'll be launching, but overall, if I can explain, it will take about 2 quarters to get the layer 2 rolled out. So layer 1 should be rolled out by end of January, and by we'll take 2 more quarters for layer 2 solution to be ready for beta testing. Layer 2, which will include our hyperswap, which will include our Sphereium swap layer 2 solution, which will involve our Sphere comp. So all those features will be added in layer 2 solution, which will be in 2 quarters after that. So 2021 will probably by September or October of 2021, we should be ready with our layer 1 and layer 2 solutions. Okay, so this valuation, it's actually just giving the numbers about the number of tokens and how much amount we are trying to raise. So in the seed round, we have kept a pricing of 0.5 cents for each token, which is 44.4% discount to our public sale round. Okay, this is all we have for now. Thank you.
Great, thank you very much, Anchal. Do you have any? Is there any other comments from your other team members? Do they have anything they'd like to share at all specifically?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, obviously, yeah. Heather, if you would like to add something.
Yeah.
Or Philip?
Yeah, here. This is Alex. I'm watching together with Philip, the CEO of Sphereium. So thanks, Anchal. Great job Thank you again for helping us out. Just very briefly from my side, I just wanted to share briefly the vision that we have discussed today. I just wanted to spread the word a little bit of what we're imagining and envisioning for Sphereium for the near future. So that our basic idea is to make Sphereium kind of like a diamond token, like a really high-end token for just the basic user worldwide, and to provide a global access to the DeFi sphere with the help of the commonly usable, however, relatively high value token that we would be able to offer probably by February 21. And so our idea is basically to create value with the help of the DeFi world and DeFi global usage. And therefore, I would also maybe ask Heather to say a couple of words about our technical development, not too many details, but maybe just like to give a little bit of an overview of what we're planning with regard to smart contracts so far.
Okay, yes, we are building on the Ethereum platform. So we are working with smart contracts. We have several of them finished. Not all of them are finished at the moment, but we are still working on that. They will be fully audited by an external party. We haven't decided which party yet, but they will be fully audited so that people can trust that that their money is in good hands.
Excellent. Thank you very much, guys. I think what we'll do, are you able to hang around a little bit late for a little bit longer? Because what we'll do is we're going to kind of have a question Q&A session towards the end after we have, I think, two more project pitches, because a couple have dropped out. So if you're able to hang around, we would love to have you guys be involved in that.
What time is that?
So I think looking at the schedule, it would be in around 40 minutes or so, if it's not too late. If you can, great. If not, we really appreciate your time today. You know, we're excited about potentially looking to form some more official partnership with you. And I'm sure there'll be lots of interest and questions as we formulate that. But what we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to create a new stream, I believe, for the next